I'm Yana from Flowy Creative. Let's learn how to use Flowy Creative templates like a Canva Pro. We'll cover how to change fonts and text, use guides to line things up, manage your pages, and export your designs for web or print. Change the color of an SVG image. Flowy Creative templates use SVG graphics. These are vector images, so you can change their colors to match your brand. Click on the graphic. You'll see 3 color circles at the top. Click one to change it, then choose a new color. If you want to change all matching colors across your document, click Change All. If that option doesn't appear, undo and try again. Remember, Change All replaces that color everywhere, even in text or backgrounds. So check your other pages just in case to make sure that you're happy with your changes. Change colors. To change the color of any element, click on it. Then click the color swatch at the top toolbar here. Let's change the background color of this document. If you use Canva Pro and have a style guide, scroll to your brand kit to see your saved colors. To pick a new one, click the Rainbow Plus button. This opens the color picker where you can use an eyedropper or type a hex code, a 6-digit color number. You can also shuffle your brand kit colors. Click Brand, hover over your palette, and click Shuffle for different combinations. Click Apply to all pages to update your whole document. Change fonts. To change a font, click on your text. Then click the font name at the top. Choose a new one from the list. If you want to use the same font everywhere, Canva might show Change All. Click it to update all matching text. If you don't see it, undo and try again. Repeat this process for the body text. Find and replace. Let's save some time and replace all footer text at once. Copy the footer text. Go to File, Find and Replace Text. In the Find box, paste your copied text. In Replace, type your new text. Click Replace All. Canva updates every page, all in one click. Guides. Flowy Creative templates have guides that you can view or hide. To show or hide guides, go to File, Settings, then tick Show Rulers and Guides. You'll see lines appear. These help you align your text and images. To move guides, first unlock them. Go to File, Settings, and untick Lock Guides. Drag them where you want, then lock them again so they don't move. These guides won't show when you export your design. Managing pages. You can have up to 350 pages in one Canva design. Here's where to add, delete, and copy a page. We'll add, delete, move a page down by clicking the down arrow icon, and move a page up by clicking the up arrow icon. To reorder pages, click the Pages button at the bottom right. Now you can drag and drop pages to reorder them with ease. For a bigger view, select the grid icon. You can drag and drop to reorder pages here too. Downloading for web, social media, and print. To download for web, go to Share, Download, and choose JPG. JPGs are best for photos and text, while PNGs are better for graphics, logos, or images that need a transparent background. Go down to Select Pages and choose the page you want to download. Click Done. Click on Limit File Size and input 500 KB to ensure it loads quickly online. Click Download and Save. Click Show in Finder. Check the file size before uploading. We're going to download all images for social media next. Go to Share, Download, and select PNG. For these images, we're going to use PNG and aim for under 1 MB. If your file is bigger, tick Compress File. Need a transparent background? Select Transparent Background before downloading. Choose PDF Print for printing. Tick Crop Marks and Bleed if needed. Canva Pro users can also select CYMK, the best color profile for print. For exporting ebooks or workbooks, choose PDF Standard for sharing online. It keeps links clickable. Select Download. Save. Now you're ready to share your ebook online. Are you ready to work your Canva magic? I'd love to see what you create. Please share your designs with me on social media and let me know what tips or Canva templates you'd like me to cover next.